And we have seen it in other parts of the country. Today, pandemonium broke out in the Jammu and Kashmir Assembly over the Shopian rape and murder case. In fact, PDP leaders, including its chief Mehbooba Mufti, created a major ruckus in the Jammu and Kashmir Assembly, shouting slogans. Mufti even then walking up to the well of the house and grabbing the microphone from the speaker's table. There you can see it on your screens there. Mufti had to be escorted out of the Jammu and Kashmir Assembly even as the sloganeering continued. And as tempers continued to flare, the police were forced to interfere and lead a number of ministers out of the assembly. In fact, for more than a month, remember, Shopian has been on the edge over the double murder and rape of two women. But today, a most unparliamentary Mehbooba Mufti, PDP leader, walking up till the well of the house in the Jammu and Kashmir Assembly and then grabbing the microphone and hitting it on the table. And then, of course, sloganeering continued. These MLAs had to be escorted out by the police. Speaker of the Jammu and Kashmir Assembly has now reacted to that fracas that took place in the Jammu and Kashmir Assembly, sending out a strong warning to PDP chief Mehbooba Mufti. He has said that such a behavior will not be tolerated in the assembly, and if she does it again, Mufti will be expelled from the Jammu and Kashmir Assembly. A strong warning coming out there to the PDP chief. Listen in.
Was really unprecedented incident which has took place today in the morning at the outset of this budget session, and that too at the time when the House was to take debate on this abjury reference. Unfortunately, PDP MLAs led by their leader Mehbooba Mufti ji came in the well, protested to raise some issues regarding the regarding Shopian and all that. Meanwhile, when I made it clear to them that here is the abjury reference wherein you cannot take the issues like this. So today's business demands that we will go only for abjury reference and rest of the business will remain suspended till tomorrow. But they didn't hear to me. I tried to silence them, but they were all fire. They tried to browbeat me, and so much so, Madam Mahbooba ji came to my dais and she snatched the mic, tried to throw it on my person, which was I was rescued by one of the lady who was escorting Mahbooba ji.
You're trying to say that she attacked you.
She attacked me, and I was rescued by the lady who was escorting her, and unfortunately I was saved. Otherwise, his attempt was to throw that mic on my person, causing injury of any kind, whatever was possible that way. And thereafter, I had nothing but to react and telling my martial people that you take this lady out.
Are you planning any kind of action against her?
I'm not going to plan any action against her. She has done it. I leave it to the God and thereafter to the people. She has just tried to demolish the prestigious chair, the prestigious post of speaker.